about discharge. She better keep that. Me now gonna away. I'm potter boy around the kitchen. Food of in yam. Father God, why them fight me so hard? Them a rush me fi go a me yard. Them don't want me link up the cook on the wall. And I just 9 more dumpling me want. Dinner time no and then give me discharge, no. Me not take no discharge. Oh, pot for your boil and they send me a me yard. Me not got me yard. Uno now go on right. Them a give me pay fight. All the nurse they too bright. Down a hospital, in a hospital. The food now share right. The plate are too light. Oh, the cook they so tight. You know. Everybody knows say me a the food man. I saw me love yam. I just saw me and them a share me in a plate, but me a me shed pan. From the butter boil, ya know it take long. Can't take the matron bout food a ration. And everywhere me look salt, mackerel and yam. They no want me fi eat in a no occasion. Them no know me, me belly well long. Oh no now go on right. Them a give me pay fight. All the nurse they too bright. Down a hospital, in a hospital. The food now share right. The plate are too light. Oh, the cook they so tight. You know me just a sit down and a penny and a watch the kitchen. They panic case like matlock. Me laugh, me a study wagon, now them a share the chicken. Then think they can go around me. Read them up and realize I know nobody them. Them a try share me out and give them one a friend. And me big appetite that a bother them. Belly full and bells big and the whole of them. Say who no now go on right. Them a give me pay fight. All the nurse they too bright. Down a hospital, in a hospital. The food now share right. The plate are too light. Oh, the cook they so tight. You know what? No, no, no. No, no, no. Then just a give me liquor, give me liquor, give me liquor. Doesn't bill me take a me no get no bicker. Then just a give me liquor, give me liquor, give me liquor. Me a try link pick up but she a move sickle. Gas pull me up so me have to check in. Lunchtime soon come so me have to get in. Then give me liquor food with the aspirin. Me not try feel no better one. More dumpling go there morning again. Before me bathe, push past the yard, cause me no afraid. Breakfast I share, that's why me come here. And I just 2 pieces of yam and 1 liquor pear. Now go on right. Them a give me pay fight. All the nurse they too bright. Go hospital, hospital. The food now share right.
Well, you are the first person I know wants to stay in hospital for the food. First, nobody wants to stay in hospital. Second, I usually hear so the food not good. Morning, this is Don Reed. Have on this mic, so I will hold this one first. Where this come from, boss? Why you decided to do something like this?
Boy, actually, I was hospitalized Independence weekend in the St. Ansbury Hospital. So, you know, while I was in there, I buck up on a big corruption going on in there. The patient next to me, for breakfast, they gave him 3-finger banana. They only give me 2. Lunchtime, they give him a tall glass of orange juice. You only get a little 7-ounce Coke. Dinner time, they give him breast, wing, and thigh. Me only get breast and wing. So I complain to the nurse, never.
Yeah.
Complain to the nurse. You know what the nurse do out of spite? Just dinner supposed to serve at 5 o'clock. 4:45, the lady discharge me. No, I mean, the fact that I get better, that's no reason to discharge me.
Well, actually, it is.
At least keep me until after dinner.
No, at least it is a reason
so
to
me
discharge.
So vex now.
Yeah.
Me so vex, I'm go home and I tell her, say, on my chest, on my chest.
Yeah.
I just decide to do the song. So I file a report to Indicom, to Mocha, and I try to get on confused now, because something have to be done about this. You can't discharge somebody.
No, when you're in the right place, you don't need to go anywhere.
Yeah,
then we'll hear from here.
Yeah.
This is the first attempt at a song like this?
First attempt. but it's out of the hurt.
So, yeah,
So
yes,
it's not really, I'm not a musician, you know.
Yeah,
I'm
was,
not,
I
I'm
was,
not a comedian, I'm just hurt.
Yeah.
You cannot send home somebody just because them get better, especially when
yeah,
food getting
yeah.
served.
I need to tell you this. You're a comedian. You have any other plans to write another song like
Yeah,
this?
actually I have, actually I'm working on an EP, which is about 8 songs. But it's all called what I call comedy music. It's music designed to make you feel good, to make you laugh.
Okay.
And Simone, cheer up. I know you're in a bad mood, but I hope this will cheer you up this morning, eh?
You've been in banking for,
All my life.
you plan to leave that and go into music?
My bosses are listening, so no, I don't plan to. I'm a banker since 16 years old.
Yeah.
I joined NCB at 16 years old, 4 feet 6 inches and 73 pounds. So I'm a banker, that is
Okay.
but I've always loved music and I've always loved making people laugh.
How your family feel about this? When they watch you this morning?
Well, they laugh after me, which is good.
So you make a tune now for the family? So?
Yes, everything. But you know, I have been trying to. I love comedy and music so much, but you know, Christopher John Daly has a show at 100.
Yeah.
So I say, you know, I'm going to be a stand-up comedian. So I go up there, get my best material, house packed, you know. Hope they have an open mic segment. Went on there and I go in my arsenal, and the crowd. This is how the crowd is. I go for the next best joke and the crowd stay like this. By the time I reach my third joke, I see a lady over the far corner do a little thing like this.
You get a one
A
laugh.
little, crack a little grin. So I find her after I say, you find me funny, don't you? She said, no, it's a WhatsApp message you got.
Them can't use it again.
So-
Them can't use it again.
No, so I say, you know what, when I go with the song now, I go Moby, because he has it in Moby too. And I go on the show with the song. And guess what, the lady was there, so I beg her come up front and encourage everybody else. And trust me, the rest was history. I actually won it that night.
So you're a star now. Good to meet you.
Yes, never.
Good to meet you. And
Respect.
when you bring out the EP, you can come back and do another.
Oh, definitely, definitely.
We can get a little rhythm if him does. Give him another rhythm. Give him the same rhythm, make him here. And you can send us the break with the same little song.
Yeah, actually there's a boss beginner that is on the thing, but maybe it's not queued up.
Give them another rhythm. Give them a little bit more of what you just did.
All right, no problem.
Right, no?
Them a rush me fi go a me yard. Them know a me link up the cup on the wall. And I just 9 more dumping me want. Dinner time now and then give me discharge no. Me nah take no discharge. How pot fi a boil and they send me a me yard. Me nah go me yard. Uno nah go on right. Them a give me play fight. All the nurse they too bright. Down a hospital, in a hospital. The food not share right. The plate ya too light.